Hit it, buddy. You can do it. Oh. Hit the ball. Oh, yeah. That's awesome. Do it again. Do it again. Where's your bat? Okay. There you go. Come and get it. Whoa! Good job, buddy.
I need to back up.
Okay. Look at that. Back up. Oh, yeah. That's a pop-up. Okay, here you go. Hit the ball. Nope. Here, hold on. Here, back up right here. Right here. Yeah, right there. Oh, yeah. Good job. Good hit, buddy. Okay, do just like this. Oh, yeah. I love the wind-up little. Put that weight on that back foot. Oh, Chuck Knobloch. Good job. Oh.
What are you doing?
Here, stand up. There you go. Yeah. Let's put a heavier bat in your arms. See if you can get buff. Oh, good hit.
Good job, Griffin.
All right, dude. Hit it, baby. Boom. Oh, strike one. Oh, nice job. Good job, buddy. Way to go. Crack, crack. Is that what you want? Is that where you want it? Okay, swing it. Get it. Oh, man. Good hit. Go get your ball.